Finding the volume of a prism. A prism is a solid whose cross-section is the same all the way along its length. So it's got a consistent cross-section. It doesn't get bigger or smaller. Now the volume of a prism from second year is the area of the cross-section multiplied by the length. That will be given in your, if you get the GCSE, that is given that formula. Pause the video and have a go at example 4. In example 4, we have to find the volume of a prism which has a length of 20 centimeters and whose cross-section is given below. So you can imagine this is like the frontal face, and then it would go back a certain distance. Now, three-dimensional shapes are quite hard to draw. That's not even very good. Don't worry about drawing it out. Just work with the cross-section, and then the formula, you basically work out the area of the cross-section and just multiply it by this length here. So there's not much benefit in drawing out that third dimension. Let's work out the area of the cross-section. So I've just written area of CS for short for cross-section. Now the cross-section is this blue part. The whole rectangle would be 9 times 7. But as you can see, there's a bit missing from the middle, which is a rectangle as well. So I can take that off. And that rectangle will be 5 by 3. So that is 63 minus 15, which would give you 48. Then we get the volume is the area of the cross-section multiplied by the length. So that would be 48 multiplied by the 20, and that gives 960. And it's a volume this time, so it'll be centimeters cubed.